Yes.
Okay, please read number 1, Lynn.
In this passage, you can find fruits. One of the girls is reading the paragraph.
Okay. Now here, in the cafe, you can buy fruits. There's fruits in the cafe. Next, one of the girls is reading newspaper. Okay, correct. Okay, next. It's a comic, not a newspaper. Okay, here, Lynn. How about you answer number 3 and 4?
Yes.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
What is the message the restaurant doing? Asked the clown. Who is smelling as the baby? The doctor.
Okay, now here. What is the man with the red phone doing? He is, or he, phoning or calling a friend. Next, who is smiling at the baby? Look at the picture. It's the doctor. Very good, Lynn. Now, Lynn, I want you to look at the pictures and then write 2 sentences about the picture. Okay, 2 sentences, anything.
Countenance.
Okay, please read, Lynn.
One girl holds the baby. One has between the boy and the girl.
Okay, so here number one girl hold the baby. It could be Lynn. The correct words here is one girl is holding the baby, not hold. One girl hold the baby is not good sentence. It should be one girl is holding a baby. Next, number six, one bag between the boy and the girl. One bag is between the boy and the girl. You put is. One bag is between the boy and the girl. Okay? Careful in. All right. So here, let's try. Wait me. Okay. Okay. Here, Lynn, in reading and writing part 3 or part 6, you may get more than marks and you can write these words. Okay, Lynn, here we go. Oh, there's no listening. Sorry, Lynn. So instead of coloring, Lynn, I have here, I'm gonna ask you a question, okay? Lynn, look at here. Lynn, what can you see in the picture, Lynn? Where? Oh, here, come on.
See, there's and
Okay. Lynn, how many people can you see in the picture?
see
I can see.
just people.
Okay. And where are they?
There's
They are?
they are near the cafe.
Okay. And then? Here, what are the people on the chair doing? On the chair.
Now people on the chairs is
It's
it calling shifting calmness and listening.
okay. Then we have there a person calling on the phone. We have there a girl reading a comic. Next, we have here a boy holding a flower and the girl is watching. And then here you can see a baby. Where's the baby, Lynn?
Happy is on the girl.
Okay. And who is making the baby laugh? Who's making the baby laugh, Lynn? It's the,
It's the doctor.
okay, it's the doctor. Okay, there you go. All right, so there you go, Lynn. So, Lynn, we finished this unit 18. Now, next meeting, Lynn, is we will be doing another activity, okay? So, another lesson next unit or next meeting tomorrow. I know, tomorrow, sorry. That would be Thursday. I forgot. Okay. So, Lynn, that would be all for today. Goodbye for now, Lynn. Bye-bye. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye, Natasha. See you again.
See you again.